got our blues roots, we're right into rock, we're greedy on the guitar, we love guitars. We've got 3 guitarists in the band, so we obviously love harmonising guitar solos and stuff like that. No, we're just trying to forge our own genre really and amalgamate all the different things, all our own backgrounds as individuals to kind of create a new sound.
A sound that reconnects to their roots, both musically and culturally, and it's all about Te Reo.
Because it's in Te Reo, it just makes it something completely different. We'll bring in haka elements, kapa haka, traditional Māori styles of puoro, and so that can give it like a world music type sound.
There's no shortage of talent. Kara Gordon or Jimmy Kara on stage plays blistering lead.
So I'm part Taniwha and part Loch Ness Monster, lead guitar player of the band. My job is to come in and destroy cities and planets.
Here he is, supporting Elton John, no less. They're all city boys, all but one are from Tāmaki Makaurau.
Just being here in the city, urbanised, we're not close to our tūranga waiwai. It's just a way of connecting on a deeper level that has nothing to do with the rest of the world or has nothing to do with, capitalism or the industrialisation of our lives.
Lucas Wharekura is from Rotorua.
I love being in this band because it allows me to connect with Te Reo Māori in a very unique way, in that I get to surround myself with excellent and successful examples of brimming and handsome Māori.
The 5-piece formed 5 years ago. It was a perfect storm.
He was talking fluent Māori, I couldn't believe it. I was like, I don't know what to do, man. It's so much to spare. I was like, tell you what I can do, man. Māori lyrics, use the artwork, and put a bit of music behind it, and both, KIKO was born.
The artwork, so much part of the KIKO identity, is Rewi McLean's work. And as for Te Reo, well, that's hot on the heels of these guys. Since 2018, alien weaponry have taken Reo to the world, rocking it on some of the biggest stages out there. And all in the Māori language.
Māori will view Māori music a certain way, right? And it gives them something. Other New Zealanders who don't speak Te Reo will perceive Māori music a certain way, and then you've got the international kind of level where they've only heard stories about our culture or whatever, but you kind of give them these tangible musical strains to kind of run with, and I think it's quite special for people internationally to hear Māori music.
And special back home too, as the joyful celebration of Māori music becomes more and more part of the mainstream. It's
been like a movement, I suppose, a musical movement of like even non-reo speakers engaging with te reo to try and do their part. Before it was like a human rights thing just to be able to speak te reo, but now you got like and that was a movement in itself, and now you got this is a cultural movement, and you know that's what we're trying to add to, I suppose.
It's cultural and political for KIKO. At a time when Te Reo Māori is feeling under threat, KIKO wants to take its place on the front line.
It's crazy times at the moment, and there's a lot of regress. Like we've taken about 35 steps backwards, so anything we can do to take at least one step forward, and another, and another, and another, you know, we'll keep putting out our tunes. And